suppose A and B are two sets. Two sets means two non-empty sets. Then a rule, or you can say system, rule F, which associate or which relates A and B is called function. Associates which associates each element X, each X belongs to a unique Fx belongs to B is called function. You can also say that function is a relation between two sets A and B. For example, suppose x square is any term. X belongs to A and Fx belongs to B. So Fx is equal to x square for all x belongs to A. Then what is the value of n for all x belongs to n natural numbers. So when x is equal to 1, then it is 1 square, that is 1. When x is equal to 2, then it should be 2 square, which is 4. When it is 3, then 3 square, which is 9.
इसमें ये इक्वल नहीं होना चाहिए, ये इक्वल होना चाहिए.
So for f is onto, first consider y is equal to fx. Means x is equal to f inverse y. And now prove this is as 1, 1. F inverse y. F inverse y means this is your inverse map. If f is this one, A to B, then F inverse is B to A. So if you prove this as 1, 1, so each element must be image, that is on 2. And when to prove F is into, you have to prove F is not onto. F
Yes,
is
sir.
not onto.
Yes.
Right. Write one or two things that 1, 1 onto map is also called 1, 1 onto map is also called bijective function.
Yes, sir.
Bijective function. Onto function. 1, 1 function bijective and onto surjective. 1, 1 is only 1, 1 is called injective, also called injective function. So now come to some problems. After giving 1, 1 function, onto function, see some problems. First of all, write down question. Prove that the function cos x is not 1, 1. Is not 1, 1. 1 to 1 or 1, 1. Or cos x is many one function. So proceed according to procedure. First of all, let fx is equals to cos x. And suppose fx is 1, 1 function. Then fx1, then or write let fx1 is equals to fx2. So fx1 is equal to fx2 according to given condition. Cos x1 is equals to cos x2. And what we have to prove? Cos x is not 1, 1. And we have considered fx1 is equal to fx2. And what you have to prove? x1 is not equals to x2. Simplify this one. This should be written as cos x1 minus cos x2 equal to 0. Pushparaj is there?
Yes, sir.
What is formula for cos C minus cos D?
2 cos
2 cos x plus x1 plus x2 by 2. Sorry, 2 sin x1 plus x2 by 2 multiplied by sin x2 minus x1 by 2.
Good. This is the formula. So you may write minus 2. Minus 2 take first. Sin x1 x1 is square minus x2 square should equal to 0. x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2 equal to 0. It means x1 is equal to x2, x1 is equal to minus x2. So x1 is equal to plus minus x2, two values. Therefore, f is not 1, 1 because our supposition is wrong. x1 have two values. F is not 1, 1 because fx1 is equal to fx2 implies x1 is equal to plus x2 and minus x2. Is it clear? Shruti?
Yes, sir.
Ritika?
Yes, sir.
So now, see, next part to prove f is not
Sir.
on.
आ गया.
The second, we have to prove f is not onto. So let y is equals to fx. Y is equal to fx means we have to calculate the value of x. Y is equals to x square.
root y.
Means x should equals to plus minus under root y. So for any value of x, we have two values, under root y and minus under root y.
सर ग्राफ बनेगा.
So right here, for each x belongs to domain there exists
ग्रेटर देन एंड इक्वल टू 0 हो जाएगा सर.
two value in codomain or range, you may write. One is under root y, another is minus root y. So it is not on 2. Not onto means which type of map is overall there?
सर ऊपर की ओर बनेगा शायद पैराबोल, क्या तो उसको कहते हैं.
One means it is many one into map. No need to draw any graph here.
हम बना दिए थे सर.
ना दिए तो उसे कोई एडवांटेज नहीं होगा. Next right question.
वो तो कर रहा है.
Write down. Prove that the function f r to r, r stands for real number, such that fx is equals to 3 minus 4x is 1 onto map. Is 1 onto map. Can you solve it?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Pushparaj?
Yes, sir.
Pragya?
बना रहे हैं.
जी सर बना रहा है.
For f is 1, let fx1 is equal to fx2. It means
3x minus 4x square ना.
no 4x. See the question.
दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था सब, बंद हो गया था वीडियो.
3 minus 4x1 दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था तो सुनाई तो दे रहा होगा. 3 minus 4x1 should equals to 3 minus 4x2. 3 and 3 should cancel. Minus 4x1 is equals to minus 4x2. So x1 is equal to x2. So fx1 is equal to fx2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is
Sir.
1 1. Yes. Yes.
सर प्रूव हो गया.
Right. Next to proof, f is on 2. F is on 2. So let y is equal to fx. It means y is equal to 3 minus 4x.
सर प्रूफ हो गया.
Right? 4x is equal to 3 minus y, and hence x is equal to 3 minus y upon 4. Now prove that this is also 1 1, or you may write also, for each x there exists unique y. For each x
हुआ सर.
belongs to domain, there exists unique y belongs to range or codomain. Unique, for unique x, you will get unique value of y. So the map is onto. F is onto. 1 1 onto, right just below it. Hence F is 1 1 and onto map. So it is also called bijective map. Bijective map. Now it is clear. Next, write down the function.
मम्मी
भूख लगे क्या? मम्मी चिल्लाने लगा.
क्या सर?
भूख लग गए?
नहीं पापा.
Write down question. Fx equals to 1. Fx is equals to 1 if x is greater than 0. It is 0 if x is equal to 0, and it is minus 1 if x is less than 1. Is neither 1 1 1 1 nor onto map when f R to R is a map. It is very simple.
Yes sir.
But what is this? What is this? The function is called?
Piecewise function.
This is called signum function.
सर तो piecewise किसको करता है सर?
Because question is also asked in this form, prove that signum function is neither 1 1 nor onto function, or prove that signum function is many one onto into function. Right now,
मम्मी पापा बोले खाना नहीं बनाने का.
so
कुछ नहीं. नहीं बना के ला रहा हूँ.
next class tomorrow is Independence Day. So there will be no class tomorrow. Next class, we will see some more questions related to relation and function.
सकल
Right?
क्लास.
Independence Day.
ओ कर